Let us take a look at one common business scenario in forging, namely, handling customer purchase orders. Record customer enquiry. New enquiries for parts that are received from customers are recorded here with the relevant quantity and delivery date requirements for each part. Drawing files for the customer part, if provided by the customer along with the enquiry, can be uploaded for reference during preparation of quotation. Once an enquiry has been recorded and authorized, a draft quotation can be generated. Manage customer quotation. Draft quotations that are generated out of recorded customer enquiries can be finalized using the cost sheet facility provided. The cost sheet for estimation provides a facility to enter detailed breakup of part-wise costs including RM input costs, die development costs, manufacturing costs, overhead costs and profit markup, and arrive at the total cost that can be quoted for each part enquired. Once the quotation is authorized, it can be printed out for sending to the relevant customer. Manage customer purchase order. Purchase orders received from customers are recorded here with the formal quotation reference used. All the details in the purchase order like the part-wise quantity, rates and schedule can be recorded here. All commercial details like payment terms and advance received can be captured in the second page along with part-wise drawing details as provided by the customer. These drawing files can be uploaded for record purposes and viewed later by downloading. Once the purchase orders are authorized, internal sales orders can be generated. Manage sales order. Internal sales orders that are generated out of customer purchase orders and job orders can be viewed and managed here. Sales order is generated for every part quantity schedule combination received as per the customer purchase order. Planned delivery quantity within the schedules can be done before the sales orders are authorized. Manage monthly forge plan. Once the internal sales orders are authorized, monthly forge planning is done to plan for the forging stage. Beginning with this activity, the monthly forge planning scenario walks you through the planning process. Work orders are generated from these forge plans. Manage RM cutting schedule. RM cutting can be scheduled based on forging due dates in the work orders. Scheduling can be done part-wise and can be assigned in-house or subcontracted as job orders for RM cutting. The business scenario handling in-house RM cutting describes the in-house activities for RM cutting, while subcontracting RM cutting jobs describes the activities when this is subcontracted out. View current stock for material or cut weight. Once the RM cutting is completed, the stock for the cut weights can be viewed to ensure that these are available for issuing to the production floor for forging. Daily forge plan. When the cut weights are ready, the forging process stage can be further planned at the daily level. The business activities for the forging process are described in handling daily forging production. Manage work order schedule. When forging is completed and the parts have been inspected, the post-forging process stages like normalizing, heat treatment, shot blasting etc. can be scheduled based on the delivery due dates either in-house or subcontracted as job orders for parts finishing. The business activities in the scenario handling finishing work orders manage the scheduling, production and inspection of these stages. Rework orders can be generated during the in-house inspection of any of these stages. View current stock for part. After the last process stage successfully passes the inspection, the stock is updated for the finished part. During inspection, the parts can be rejected or can be sent for rework from the post-forging stages. The stock shows the number of parts that have been finished, rejected or sent for rework at various process stages. Prepare delivery advice. Once the finished stock is available for delivery, it can be invoiced and dispatched based on delivery advices. The business scenario handling invoice and dispatch includes activities to manage these.